Welcome to Tech D2 channel. In this video, I will show you the process to play Free Fire on PC with 2 GB RAM and no graphics card. Open any browser, then search gameloop download for PC. Go to gameloop download. You can also get the link in description. Click on free download for window. Click on Save As, then select the location for gameloop. After downloading gameloop, install it. It takes 5 to 7 minutes for installation. Now click on Start. After installing gameloop, scroll down and click on Free Fire. You can also get Free Fire from search menu. Click on Download. It takes 5 to 10 minutes for downloading Free Fire. For now, I will speed up the video. If you haven't subscribed our channel, then subscribe and join with us. After installing Free Fire, click on Play. Click on Facebook to sign in for Free Fire. Log in with your Facebook ID and password. Click on Continue. By this way, you can play Free Fire on PC with 2 GB RAM. Thank you for watching. If you have any problem, then comment below.